Hi all, the common guy is back and this time with a new topic. So this time I'll be talking about acceptance. So in this video I'll be talking about three things. First, what is acceptance? Second, why we should accept the current situation, the current scenario that happens in our life. And the last thing is how we can do it, how we can accept it. So let's start with the first thing. Let's start understanding what is acceptance. So acceptance is the reality of the situation, of the current situation. It can be your comfortable zone, it can be your uncomfortable zone, it can be negative thoughts that are running in your mind, it can be the positive mood that you have, and it can be anything. Because it varies from person to person. I can be in a different mood right now, you can be in a different mood right now, and so person can be in a different mood right now. So it depends person to person. But what we have to do is we have to rest in the present situation, no matter how bad it is, how good it is. We just have to keep it going. We cannot stop it, we cannot stop time, we cannot stop situations, we cannot stop our emotions. What we can do is we can just accept the way they are. Now, why we should do it? What is the importance of doing it? What is the importance of accepting all this? See, what happens is, I'll give you an example to make you understand why it is important. When you go for the first time in school, you don't want to go there. And when you go to college, you don't feel comfortable on the first day. Obviously you don't feel comfortable. Even at workplace, you're a bit nervous. You don't know what will happen with you, how people will react towards you, and how they'll treat you. So you all are not comfortable because that is your first encounter with the present situation. Now what you do, you start resting, you start knowing the surroundings, the environment around you, and then once you know it, then you start understanding everything, the people, the resources that you have at school, at college, or at workplace. You start understanding everything, and once you start understanding, once you know everything, then you become comfortable in that situation. So I hope now you know the what is the importance of acceptance. If you do not accept, you don't get comfortable. To get comfortable, you have to rest in. You have to keep yourself calm and composed. You have to, no matter if it is bad, you have to accept it. If it is good, that is really good. But anyway, if something bad is happening, we can't leave it, because that's how life is. It's all about, lots of emotion. Life is about lots of emotions, and you're here to experience all those emotions. So you cannot run away from one emotion, and you can't experience just one emotions all your life. So that is why it is important to accept everything the way they are. Let's move on to the last topic in this video. This is about how we can do it. So there are lots of ways. For me, what I do is I write, or I talk to people, or I spend my time with nature. I try to understand everything that is going wrong in my life. Even something goes right in my life, then I think about it, I analyze it, I try to understand it. The same you can do it, you can also do. And see, you have to find out your own way. I can tell you that you also write, you also talk to people, but what if you don't like writing? What if you don't like talking? So you have to find your own way to deal with it, to accept it. So how you will do it? Once you start resting in the current situation, then obviously you will figure out one solution, that how you can accept the current situation, how can you handle the current situation. And once you know how to handle the current situation, all the doors of life, all the doors, opportunity doors, gets open for you. So that is why acceptance is really very important for us. If you really want to be mentally healthy, then you have to accept the current situation. And trust me guys, if you accept yourself, then rest of the people also accept you. So thank you. Now the comment section is all yours, and if you want to read more about acceptance, you can visit the link in the bio or in the description. I'll mention the link and you can visit my website over there. You can read my blog about acceptance. Thank you. Have a good day.